tonight, welcome Diana Molly Moore. She's passionate about soccer, playing as a forward, fielder, and a defender, as well as Hmong dancing. One day, Diana hopes to become a pediatrician. Her top food choice is egg rolls and her favorite color is red. She cherishes time spent playing backyard volleyball and soccer with her family, creating dance routines, going on bike rides, and participating in musical performances with friends. Let's bring the cheers for Diana Molly Moore. Flowers. Judges and audience, you have 2 minutes. Seconds.